Identify your largest obstacle to success. Take responsibility for moving yourself beyond that obstacle. This is very important on the path of your success. Obstacles and hurdles are bound to come, and you will have to take responsibility to locate what are those and come out with a solution. We have to identify the obstacle whenever we face temporary hurdles. Regarding temporary hurdles, I have already discussed in my last video how to be optimistic. Obstacles and hurdles are bound to come if you are doing something towards the achievement of your goal. Without obstacles and hurdles, nobody can taste success. This is the true reality. Look at the life of Nelson Mandela. He stayed in jail for 27 years to remove apartheid rule from South Africa. You can very well think of his position while in jail, but he stick to it and removed all the obstacles and at last got success. Must read his autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom. It's must read for everybody, and if you are not reading it, you are missing something. Want to know what are the things required to identify the obstacles? Must see this video till the end. मैं प्रणब दास गुप्ता तहे दिल से आपको स्वागत करता हूं इस वीडियो में और इस चैनल में। मस्ट लाइक, कमेंट, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो with your near and dear ones. This precious knowledge should not be kept with yourself. It should be distributed amongst the people. If you want to know how you can face the obstacles and hurdles of your life, must mail us at staysuperfit2020@gmail.com. We will mentor you and take you to the heights of your life. That's why we say, tell us what do you want in your life and career. We will tell you how to achieve it. Now let us see in a nutshell what are the things required to identify the obstacles and overcome it. If you want success, if your goal comes from the core of your heart, if you love your goal and ready to unconditionally surrender yourself towards achievement of that goal, you will have to empower yourself in all areas of your life, that is mental, physical, emotional, intellectual, spiritual, academic and moral. You have to be wise, not intelligent, and always think of how to achieve the goal. That's why Swami Vivekananda said, take up one idea, make that idea your life. Fill your every cell, every nerve, every parts of your body with that idea and leave every other idea alone. That is the way to success. You will have to be a wonderful thinker apart from a doer. जी हाँ, आपको सोचना भी पड़ेगा और जबरदस्त मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. Whenever you think with a solution mindset and think of the positive outcome of any obstacle, the universe will going to support you and help you with the ideas and thoughts that will help you to remove the obstacles. This is the reality of human life. इसीलिए तो कहा गया है कि यदि आप दिल से कुछ मांगोगे तो ये सारी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने में मदद करेंगे. दिस इज द मैटर ऑफ द हार्ट. यस माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये दिल का मामला है और कुछ नहीं. सो नेवर बी अफ्रेड ऑफ द ऑब्स्टकल्स. रेदर आई शुड से इनवाइट ऑब्स्टकल्स इन योर लाइफ. प्रे टू ऑलमाइटी to keep you the obstacles so that you can face it, because Bigger the obstacle, bigger the success. Take complete responsibility of your life. Move ahead with absolute fearlessness and make your visit to this planet memorable. ऐसा ही कुछ डॉक्टर कलाम ने भी किया, ऐसा ही कुछ डॉक्टर नेल्सन मंडेला ने भी किया। आपको भी करना चाहिए। और जब भी आप इस धरती छोड़ के जाएं, आज से 70, 80, 90, 100, 110 साल के बाद लोग आपको याद करेंगे एज ए ग्रेट पर्सनैलिटी, एज एन सक्सेस आइकन। यस, जस्ट लीव ए लीगेसी बिहाइंड व्हेन यू लीव दिस प्लैनेट। आप जब भी इस धरती छोड़ के जाओ, एक साम्राज्य छोड़ के जाओ। कौन सा साम्राज्य? सफलता का साम्राज्य, जो सारा दुनिया आपको और आपका जिंदगी को फॉलो करेंगे। स्टे ब्लेस्ड, लिसन टू योर हार्ट एंड स्टे सुपर फिट।